Alright, Troy, so where's your car? Yesterday, it got, my car got towed yesterday, and it's in the repair shop in the Bronx. Alright, so let's go. In the car. Okay. Okay, bye. Oh, hey, Trucks, what do you need? Can you repair my car, please? Sure, what happened? Whoa, yesterday my sister took my car so she can go buy something and she crashed into a wall. So please fix it. Alright. Thank you. Wow, it looks good as new. Thank you, Mr. Mechanic Man. Yeah, you owe me $100. Alright, just let me get it. Thank you. You're welcome.